I want to pack this with tannerite and blow it up. Send it off. I've had nothing but constant problems with it. Constant problems. Yes, I know, errors happen, but it's not the errors. It's not the errors that's bothering me. It's the fact that the extruder temp doesn't stay correct. Stuff moves when it's not supposed to. Just in general annoyances. I've had to replace the door. I replaced the extruder twice. I'm over it. So we're going to start collecting tickets. $1 tickets you want to see. Kaboom! Let me know.